Good morning friends. Today we are going to see how to use pivot table in Excel. Pivot table is very useful tool in analyzing the data very easily, very quickly. For example, I have taken one Excel file here. This is about latest information on coronavirus cases, number of cases country wise. Here this record date wise, day, month, year, number of cases, death, country, all information available. But see here, this data is around 11,000 records. It is not easy with this data to analyze how many cases are there in each country. So how to analyze? We have to put some subtotal or like this. That is very cumbersome. So how we can easily do this? Okay. So a pivot table is an option which provides easy analysis of data. Video is done for the beginners. Okay. Yes. See here, this is the pivot table. How to do this? Just click on the pivot table. It will select the range if your cursor is there within the table. You must ensure that table is not given any blank space in between or text is merged text like this. Text should be very clean. Okay. Select the range. Okay. Then always select new worksheet. It is easy for analyze. Okay. See here in the right side you have a pivot table and left side you have a layout of the pivot table. Okay. Now how to do this? See, if I want to review country wise, please drag the country and territories to the row label. Clear? How? Then number of cases, drag to the value side. See here, country wise number of cases, easily within few seconds you got it. Okay. Then deaths, drag and put it in the value side. Okay. See here how easily you have analyzed the data. Afghanistan, how many cases, how many deaths. Okay. So now you want year wise or month wise, how many cases. Okay. In each country also you can have. See here, Afghanistan in January, February, March, April and December, how many cases. Okay. If you don't want month wise, remove this. If you want year wise, you can analyze year wise data. See, in 2019 0 cases, 20 how many cases. See how beautifully you can analyze the data. Okay. Suppose you don't want country wise, you can remove the fields here. Okay. You want only month wise. See here how beautifully data is coming. You can just always cross check whether your total is coming correctly or not. Remove fields. Okay. Suppose you want year wise. See how beautifully you can analyze the data. Okay. Date, each day, how much cases reported. Okay. So friends, pivot table is a very useful and easy tool. I have taken huge data here to analyze, and we could analyze within few seconds. Please try it. In my next video, I'm going to show you how to do auto sum. That is also very easy and tricky. We will see in the next video. Thank you.